What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we need to continue tracking the XRP bull flag breakout that we discovered just a couple of days ago. We're also going to be looking at some other major cryptos aside from XRP, such as Solana, which is exploding to the upside, just like we called. We're also going to be looking at Ethereum, which is on its way up, Bitcoin, which has broken through a massive resistance here. This is insane. Now at $104,000, almost at all-time highs. We have QQQ, which I believe has opened up. We are higher than where we started from, which is also very cool. And then we'll be wrapping things up with the stock market, which also looks to be possibly on its way up. Today is Friday. There's a lot of big things coming for all these cryptocurrencies come Monday morning. I mean, we're talking about make or break as of today, so it'll be very interesting to see how we react with these market cycles here. But with that being said, make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into today's episode, remember Bydfi is doing a giveaway for using their exchange and trading on their platform, which is super cool. We're talking about free USDT, AirPods, iPads, iPhones, backpacks, even Rolex watches, which is insane. This is the first time I've actually seen Bydfi give away something this large, like physical objects and not just like bonus giveaways here. So that's super cool. Make sure to check that out. But more info on Bydfi later on in today's episode. You can see yesterday we were tracking the XRP breakout here. We spoke about this. We saw it coming. You can see we were tracking this bull flag. It was forming. Then we saw the confirmation a couple of days ago here, and then as of today, we are exploding to the upside. This was literally yesterday's episode. You can see in today's video, that's what we're going to continue to go over and talk about here. I just wanted to briefly get an update with the coin market cap here. We are up 4% for the week or for the day, and some of these cryptocurrencies are exploding. XRP's up 42% for the week. We have Bitcoin up 11.7, Solana's up 18, Doge's up 26%. I mean, these cryptos are blowing up. This year is doing really well for the market. It's actually pretty incredible. You can see XRP here has rallied to the upside, and at this point, if you guys haven't moved that, taken profits, or at the bare minimum moved your stop losses up, I really don't know what it is that you're waiting for here, because it's only a matter of time before this hits a peak and starts to correct here. And all I'm saying at the bare minimum, just get those stop losses up there. You know, it could be right here, right at around $2.94. That seems to be the most accurate one right there, right at the previous candle. So if we dip, we'll at least lock in profits from here all the way up. But you don't want to just see the market stop and then you actually be in the red here. That's not what we're looking for. Remember, we're overbought on the daily charts. Plenty of room to head up higher, of course. But what you have to consider is there's always that chance of reversal. So we're trying to play this as conservative as we can in case we see that. And you can already see as of the past 2 days, today and yesterday here, that we're starting to have a bit of turbulence. Like the bulls and bears are duking it out. And we don't know just yet where we're going to land. So things are getting a bit interesting if you ask me here. So I would just slowly start to pack your bags, and I'd rather sell out early. Early profits are still profits. Like we sell, there's no wrong time to sell early, if that makes sense. There's a wrong time to sell late and you could screw yourself. So definitely take advantage of this here while it's still, on the table. But you can see we'll be doing all these trades on Bydfi because they are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. We've been tracking this XRP breakout on Bydfi as well. You can see when that confirmation buying opportunity was. It was right here. To take advantage of that, here's that rally to the upside. And the best part is you can buy long, sell short, create market orders, stop limit orders, take profits, reduce onlys, trailing stop losses. I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on for things you can do on Bydfi. It's an extremely easy, beginner-friendly exchange here. On top of that, they have a demo account for those that are beginners or want to just, hone their craft, make sure you don't, get rusty on the exchange. So you can actually get $50K in demo money to practice your skills, learn how to trade on the website. It's identical layout to the actual real website here, to the live trading account. So nothing, you'll learn it all, you'll understand it, and then switching to the live doesn't change anything. So you'll know how to use it much easier. Practice on here, practice makes perfect. Clicking live trade, like you can tell, doesn't change anything aside from it being real crypto. And the best part is using the reward center here. You can claim up to $8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency. You can see right here, get up to 8,100 new user rewards, can complete tasks to earn up to 100 USDT. And then for the whales, you can earn up to 8K, which is insane. Now, a little goes a long way, especially with a 200x leverage that they're now offering. You can see right here, Or actually, sorry, we have XRP up to 50x. I swear we had 200. I hopefully not, but yeah. Oh yeah. So Bitcoin, you could do 200x, which is insane. Now think about what $100 on 200x leverage would do. It's absolutely out of control, but you can obviously make a lot of profit off that, and all money earned off your bonus money you could withdraw completely free, which is also super cool. So moving forward from XRP and Bydfi here, Solana is slowly starting to rally up. And I mean, just looking at this means there's a good chance these cryptos will head up higher too. XRP seems to be like stagnant. Keep in mind, XRP was like the first to break on like, oh, that's not true. They all kind of look similar here. So all I know is this could be the peak, especially being Friday here. The end of Friday into the weekends kind of stagnate, trade sideways here. So there's a good chance we're going to see that. But take advantage of this. We're seeing a major run right here on Solana. I'm going to leave this alone as it could recede lower here, but everything looks really, really, really good across the board. Everything is starting to see that reversal rally. We knew these would see that. We rebounded off bottom support. We hit this. We're starting to see our uptrend. I mean, I think we look great across the board. I'm excited. Hopefully, you guys are obviously excited with this as well here. But aside from the Solana reversal that we're seeing, look at these other cryptos. You look at Ethereum here. Ethereum has its downtrend. Oop, not what I wanted to draw, but we did rebound off support, found bottom price floor, and are starting to rally up higher. Now, my main focus is probably XRP Solana. Bitcoin does look good as well, especially with that confirmation that we have today. If we close above here today, there's a very good chance we are going to continue up throughout the week. With all these, even with Solana, we close here, very good chance that we're going to see runs to the upside here. Bitcoin looks really good, breaking through this downtrend. Granted, we only had like 2 points of confirmation. It's not fully accurate, but it definitely looks good if you ask me here, that we could start to see more runs to the upside. You know, come early next week, you can already see us reversing here. There's a chance we could break through it and start to pump up even higher. I mean, we're already on a run. Markets could do anything right now, but we kind of knew that after this bull flag here on Solana, even with this breakout that we had, with the rejection to support, we knew we'd use it as a means to lift off, and that is exactly what we're doing. Now, check out QQQ, something, we had this beautiful bull flag here. We were deciding whether or not we hit support. Like, well, we know we hit support in this bull flag, but we were like, is this the bottom, or are we going to continue to correct lower? Still is a huge possibility that correction could happen here, but with us closing outside or opening today outside here, if we continue to head up, like, let's say we close just a little bit higher in green tonight on QQQ, there's a very good chance we're going to continue to lift up. I mean, you'll notice here consistently how we like to retest and rebound. Similar with the past here where we fell lower, there's a chance that this could always head below red band. It seems like we like to retest red band consistently, so there's always that chance we could fall lower first and then see that rebound. But I do believe we will be blowing through this resistance right here and heading even higher up. Same thing with the stock market. We have this downtrend, but if we can close above here like we're trying to do, there's a good chance we'll lift up even more. So that's also very exciting. Otherwise, expect to see a reversal. Either one is like plenty of opportunity here. We're kind of sitting ducks. We don't have any full-blown buying positions. We had S&P right here. That's when we bought. But as for the other cryptos, we've kind of been sitting ducks waiting for new opportunities. Aside from XRP, we capitalized off that and made a ton of money. But aside from that, all these other cryptocurrencies, we're kind of waiting patiently to see how they pan out. And then when we get that opportunity, we'll take advantage, we'll buy in, we'll leverage, so on and so forth here. But that's going to be it for today. Definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe if you haven't already. See you in tomorrow's video. Peace.